Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm a first year apprentice at Parker Meggitt, and I'm going to walk you through some of the process of application with Get My First Job. When I saw the opportunity to get into Parker Meggitt, I applied for the position obviously, and Get My First Job was very quick to keep me updated on what level of progress I've made throughout my application. Very quickly they let me know that my CV has been accepted, and now I'm welcomed to do a video interview. The title of it sounded very daunting initially because nobody's on the other side, never done it before. Went in, set up my camera, sat down in a quiet room on my own, sat down, started answering the questions that would pop up on the screen, and it was going really well because they gave us like 3 tries. So I would have 3 tries to see which answer I liked best. I remember feeling like really excited about it because I prepared really well. A few days later, Get My First Job emailed me saying, congratulations, you passed the video interview. We would like to invite you to an in-person interview at the company Parker Meggitt. So I was really excited. Get My First Job really helped me with the process of preparing for the in-person interview. They would send me links to how to answer like standard questions, what kind of questions I should expect my interviewers to ask, how I should dress, and all of that stuff was really important and crucial to my success rate. So took every advantage that I was presented with, got prepared for all the answers, went to my assessment center, started my interview, very excited for the process. It was quite nerve-wracking as well, but it was such a friendly environment, such friendly group of people. Even my interviewer, she was so very nice to me, kind to me. It was so very comforting to know that they're as invested as I am in my career, so that was very nice. My first job was very swift to send responses to everybody on how they did, and we got really good feedback as well, so it was really nice to work with Get My First Job. I had a very great experience with Get My First Job, and the whole application process, interview, help, and everything was just